No way that we're going to make a trip over here to Western Australia without dropping in at Perth Harley-Davidson. Because not only do we receive positive feedback all the time from our readers and our followers that live to ride, but there's also a new dealer principal in town. So let's go and explore the dealership, have a look around and meet some of the passionate staff. We're here at Perth Harley-Davidson. I'm with the new dealer principal, Steve.
How you going?
Good to meet you, buddy.
Thank you, you too.
So what's your background, mate?
So background, 25 years in Harley-Davidson. So I've worked East Coast, West Coast, ran multiple stores before, lived and breathed the brand since I was about 17.
Wow.
Starting off in parts and the workshop, moving through sales, and then to general management and then dealer principal.
Wow, congratulations on the new role.
Thank you.
So when did the actual dealership open?
Dealership's been here since the start of May 2011.
Oh, right, so about 14 years.
Absolutely, yeah.
And what I've noticed too, you've got a really good customer base.
We do. So we like to make this a destination dealership. So it's a bit of a come one, come all, like Harley is. It's we're united as one. So we've got a big hog community. We've got a big social club community, and no matter where people are from, male or female, all ages, all demographics, this is definitely the place to come and hang out. Got some dyno surgeons out the back there. We've got master technicians. We've got master parts guys. We've got chrome consultants. I guess the good thing about WA is that we're a little bit more nostalgic here. Yep. We pay a lot of homage to the heritage of years gone by. So there's a lot of guys with custom builds, classic Harley-Davidsons, icon models, and we're forever seeing, which you'll see today, some of the pages of time of Harley history shown here as well.
And then talking about that heritage, I mean, just be honest, we've got the Survey car and like some really good stuff here on
Absolutely, some of my favourites. We've got some Springers, we've got some Shovelheads, we've got some Knuckleheads. So there's plenty here to take a walk down memory lane. The good thing is that we love about Harley is we never forget our past, never forget our legend, where we've come from, and a lot of our customers come to us with a dream, with a design, and then we can help facilitate that.
Good on you, man. Well, thanks, Steve.
Thank you so
much. I'm going to go and see if that passionate staff are all working.
Absolutely.
Right, well, I'm here with Dave.
How you doing?
The merchandise manager.
Look, we do everything from stacks of dealer tees. We can often be the first or last stop from the airport for all the international Harley riders, and through to desert boots, the old school Ripple sole desert boots. We ship them across Australia on our online store, through to face masks, helmets, all your ride gear, and then all the casual stuff.
I mean, I know it's easy for you to say, but I will sort of vouch for it. It's good quality stuff.
Oh, it's amazing, and we get people coming back time and time again knowing that quality's there. It's, the uninitiated might look at the price of a leather jacket and not understand there's 20 years of use sitting in that jacket, and it's going to, become part of you as well as the bike.
So how long have you actually been working here?
Been here for a year. Probably been typing motorcycles and beer in the seat for about 6 years, but when I've spent 20 years in surf retail, worked with Maya for a long time. But this is like coming back to the surf store, except the toys are way better than the surf. But don't have to wait for the waves to come.
Yeah, that's it. Well, good on you, Dave.
Yeah, cheers. Good to meet you.
Mate, I'm going to come and grab a shirt soon.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, awesome. Hey.
Okay, so I'm here with Andy, the sales manager. Thanks for taking a bit of time, buddy.
All the time.
So, great dealership, eh? Just wandering around here. It's fantastic.
Big dealership, good crew, plenty of bikes.
So, how long have you been working here?
I've been with Perth Harley for just over 14 years now.
Oh, wow. A fair time.
Yeah. Started out many years ago at a different dealership in Osborne Park. I'm a parts interpreter. Started out, progressed into motorcycle sales and worked my way through. And still been here ever since. So, great crew here. The demographic of people coming through all the time. Get up in the morning, come to work and play with toys and meet new people every day.
Well, good on you, Andy. So there you go.
No worries, thank
He's
you.
a man, come down and he's going to make your dream a reality. Okay, I'm here with Talia, the marketing manager for Perth Harley-Davidson.
Nice to see you.
So what does your day entail?
Lots of storytelling, lots of, bringing the community into what we showcase here at Perth HD. So want to obviously show our staff. We've got some of the best staff, I think, that run Harley. So it's good to showcase what we have at the dealership and really bring that across to our customers and our client base. So not just a shop where you come buy a bike, you can come and hang out with a team or your friends. the community, like the hogs and lots of different other sort of groups, and have a coffee, enjoy, you know, having a little shop, and then have a chat.
And how long have you been here in the role?
I've been with Perth Harley for over a year now. Big marketing background, so been doing that for over 15 years now. So it's cool to sort of come into a brand that has so much already known about it. So it's fun.
Talia,
Yeah.
fantastic.
Thanks so much.
Another friendly face. Just come down here to Perth Harley, and Talia will sort you out.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so I'm here with the service manager, Jake. How you going, buddy?
Good, mate, good.
So what's obviously you got a big team here.
Big team, so we got crew of 15 working from the service counter back. That's everywhere from parts, after sales service, and obviously the mechanics as well. Yeah.
And what do you do everything here?
We do everything, and that's what I really love about working for Perth Harley-Davidson is we're so customised here. We can do everything from your simple cam right through to a full dyno, full engine build. So a bit of everything, really.
I mean, it was a few years ago now that Screaming Eagle was pretty much Harley-Davidson's only performance arm.
Yeah.
Now you guys use a lot of APE performance stuff.
100%, yeah. The market, like everything, has grown, and there's that much more on the market. So, and we're not biased by all means. Screaming Eagle, APE, we'll use the lot. We do like using APEs, the stuff they're building, the kits they're building. There's some pretty hardcore stuff out there.
And then what's your actual background?
Background, so diesel mechanic by trade.
Oh, right. Okay.
Went through to caravans, funnily enough, and then ended up in bikes. I've always had a passion for bikes.
Caravans to bikes.
Caravans
So
to
you've made the
bikes.
right step, that's for
Made
sure.
the right step. When I was an apprentice, when I was doing my apprenticeship, the guy I was working for used to rebuild. He had old shovel heads, all that sort of stuff.
yeah.
So that sort of ignited the flame, and then it's always been curiosity
It's
kills
good
the
to know
cat.
that old school stuff as well. I mean,
Yeah.
it's
Yeah,
easy to come
100%.
in and work on the modern stuff, plug in laptops and
Yeah.
There's not a lot of guys that can work on the older stuff.
No, you show people Carby these days, and they go, what's that?
Yeah,
So,
exactly. Yeah. And what about the service department on its own? How many people you got working out here?
So actually in the workshop, I've got 8 guys.
8 guys.
So 8 guys here in Perth, yeah.
Yeah, and they're all pretty much switched on.
They're all switched on. We've got a full-blown master tech out here as well. So trained through Harley, got the highest of recognition through Harley. Our engine builder / dyno guy, what he can't build is not funny. Anything from a supercharged bike down to anything. So
And
yeah,
that's the other thing. Having the dyno here is important because you can do
big time.
from go to woe. You can get a tune, the whole lot.
Big time. And these new 2025 models, VVT engines, there's a lot more when it comes to the computer side of it. It's actually having a guy here that can crack the code. Yes. We can tune your bike properly. We're not putting a base map in there. We'll put a map to suit your bike, your setup. We'll customise
That's
it.
awesome.
Yeah.
So there you go. Come on down here and see Jake and his crew. Get your bike pumping, get everything done, and they've got a lot of expertise here. So thanks for your time, brother.
Perfect. No, appreciate it.
Thank you. Okay, now I'm here in the dyno room with Romy. Good to meet you.
Good to meet you, mate.
Like, how important is it to have a dyno at the dealership?
It's critically important these days, considering the technology got a long way since back in the day when everything was carby, and you can tune it by ear and take it for a spin. And these days, especially for the high output motors that we build here in house, it's critically important because to get the air mixture right, especially for the water cooled motors. For the air-cooled motors, it's critically important, yes.
And the fact that to have it, because I mean, not all dealerships have the dyno, so to have that facility, that's pretty important.
Depends what work you do. If you specialized in services only, then probably it's not that important. But once you start getting into more serious into engine builds and high performance, it's pretty much a must. Obviously, the tool, it's a tool, needs to be operated, but so buying a dyno is not going to help.
No.
You need an operator to operate it and to program the computers, because the dyno itself, it's a measuring tool that helps us to check our work.
Yep.
It's basically help us check what we're doing is right.
And just hearing you talk about it, I can hear the expertise. And like you said, it's not about just buying a dyno and away you go. How complex is it to learn how to run a dyno?
Well, it's a very tricky question, and you're probably going to get a different answer from every dyno tuner. But it's definitely in my head, doing this for 25 years.
Wow.
I've been involved in all sorts of projects in Europe and here. I can say it's a form of art. It's not only tuning the fuel to get the fuel right or the timing right. It's a bit more than that these days, because the software becomes so complex now that you can accommodate every bike and every build to match the personality of the rider.
Yep.
Yeah.
And that's important, I mean, because your customers are your business.
Absolutely.
So if you're listening to your customers and they're giving you a bit
Correct.
of input and you're actually pulling that off.
Correct. That's what we're trying to do here at Perth Harley. We're trying to accommodate every build perfectly customized for the customer. So whatever customer, we spend a bit of time, especially for the big builds, where, you know, because of the amount of work that we put in and the bike gets modified radically, we always spend a bit of time with the customer to understand what are the expectations. And then when I'm tuning the bike based on the feedback that I'm getting from the customer, I always fine tune it a bit left or right just to push the bike towards what he's expecting out of the bike.
Yep. Oh, good on you, Romy. Thanks for your time.
No worries, thank you.
There you go. This is the man to get your bike pumping like it's never pumped before. So there you have it. We've enjoyed a great day here at Perth Harley-Davidson. We've met the experienced team, we've had a look around, and we've soaked up some true hospitality. And that's how they treat all their customers who walk into the dealership. Just passionate people who love what they do. So if you're in the area, drop in and you'll see exactly what I mean. Although for us, it's now time to head back to Sydney. But not before I go and grab that shirt.